Today we're at the DVC R&D Center showcasing our weapons cleaning system. Everything from the 169, the 176, and the 172. Also, we're showcasing our new Rugo, anti-corrosion and rust preventative. This is used for people out in the field when they don't have an opportunity to lubricate their weapons completely. They can still be sure their weapons will not rust or corrode. Today we're cleaning a SIG Sauer P229. Now we'll take off the pistol extension and use the regular extender to clean the outside.
You can see the difference
Without.
And there you can see the difference of dry vapor. This weapon is clean, hot, and dry.